Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel Young Newtons. Today I am here with you to present a NEET 2020 PYQ from the chapter Units and Dimensions, a very important model for your NEET and EAP set. Let us see the problem. The angle of 1 minute of arc in radian is nearly equal to, see the options. Option A 2.91 into 10 power minus 4 radian. Option B 4.85 into 10 power minus 4 radian. Option C 4.80 into 10 power minus 6 radian. Option D 1.75 into 10 power minus 2 radian. Here, to solve this problem, you have to memorize a unit conversion trick, that is degree into pi by 180 equal to radians. If the problem is given in degrees, then you have to convert it into radians by multiplying with pi by 180. Here they have given us 1 minute. By how can we convert this minute into radians? First of all, you have to convert this minute into degrees and after that convert it into radians. So for the conversions, let us see the conversion table in my previous short video. I have given the conversion for minutes, degrees and seconds to radians. Let's have a look on those short video. Okay, then now see the explanation for this problem. Let us see all of you. Here they have given us 1 minute. So first of all, 1 minute can be converted into degrees. 1 minute can be written as 1 degree by 60. So in the degrees, 1 minute equal to 1 degree by 60. This can be converted into radians by multiplying with pi by 180. Okay, so that implies if you can solve this problem, we get pi by 60 into 180. That implies, we all know that pi equal to 3.14. So by substituting this value, we get 3.14 by 60 into 180. If we solve this equation, we get the approximate value of 2.91 into 10 power minus 4 radian. So 1 minute of arc is nearly approximately equal to 2.91 into 10 power minus 4 radian. So the answer is option A, 2.91 into 10 power minus 4 radian. That is 1 minute of arc equal to 2.91 into 10 power minus 4 radian. If you have satisfied with my content, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Young Newtons. Thank you one and all.